So, you've probably been warned about the massive risks in the currency markets, right? People saying you could blow up your account in a day? Well, I'm not gonna lie, that's totally possible. Trading's risky business. But not when you've got our bot on your side. This thing's got an 80 to 90% win rate, and it's practically taming the markets. What's up, I'm Ninja, and today, I'm here to show you how to dominate the trading world. We'll go through every single bot signal and figure out why it's making these killer calls. Let's jump right in. Our first signal today is to go long on the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. The market's looking volatile right now, especially with all the news coming out. At the moment, we've got a downward trend, but it's been hit with a correction. We're seeing strong buy volumes from the bulls, while the bears are definitely losing steam. Plus, those red candles aren't showing much strength, which is a good sign that the chart's momentum will keep moving up. Right now, we're probably looking at an overbought market. So, even if the bears make a comeback, it'll most likely be after our trade is already closed. Plus, there's strong support zones backing up this potential rise. The bulls have been holding their ground both in the last few minutes and on the 4:40 p.m. timeframe. Even if the price dips a little, I'm confident we'll see a bounce back. Alright, while we're waiting for the trade to close, let me take a minute to talk about our bot and why it's going to completely change your trading game. This is a highly advanced AI that works with 30 different indicators, including technical and candlestick analysis, as well as price action. It's got a sharp sense for market sentiment and can easily predict price movements, saving you those precious minutes you'd normally spend on analysis. Let's be real, it's frustrating to miss the perfect entry point because you're busy studying patterns, right? With our bot, that's no longer a problem. Plus, Ninja Trading Bot has access to big data and is constantly learning under the supervision of pro traders with 9 years of experience. That means it's only going to keep getting better over time and never go out of date. Now, check out these reviews from people already using it. Some of them had never traded before, but thanks to our AI, they not only broke through the barrier of learning a complex new skill but also started making some serious money. You can read more reviews and try out the bot yourself through the links in the description below. And hey, grab it while it's free. This promo is only running for a month, and there are just 10 spots left. After the launch giveaway, it'll go back to being a paid service. And it might even get more expensive. Don't miss your chance. Links in the description. Our next currency pair is the British pound against the Australian dollar, and we've got a signal to short the pound. The first thing we're seeing is strong activity from the bears, while the bulls are just kind of average. Plus, the trend itself is clearly downward. We're not too concerned about the temporary fluctuations since they don't really affect the overall price movement. And even if the price hits a support zone near the current time frame, that's only going to give buyers a brief moment of hope before the price drops again. With all this selling pressure, we can definitely expect another resistance level to pop up that'll keep the price from breaking through any risky thresholds for us. The visible resistance zones are showing strong potential, while the support is way too weak to have any real impact on the trend. You can see this pretty clearly in the consolidation that formed recently. I guarantee that this bot will triple your first deposit. It's the only tool out there that lets you enter trades without worrying about the potential outcome. Its accuracy has been proven over tens of thousands of trades, with an impressive 85% success rate, plus or minus 5%, depending on market volatility and news impacts. Once you start using this tool, you'll get an exclusive invite to our VIP channel, where experienced experts share their insights, help you analyze tricky market situations, conduct their own analyses for you, and provide working signals that they use to earn themselves. Make sure to grab the bot and start working with it today to take advantage of all these unique opportunities. Tomorrow, this chance might not be there. You can find the link to the bot in the video description. As you can see, the trade just closed in profit, and our idea of bouncing off that resistance area was spot on. The bot perfectly read the market situation and gave us the right signal. While I'm setting up the parameters for the next trade, let me tell you about another awesome feature of our bot that you're going to love. This bot doesn't just work with standard currency pairs, it also handles OTC pairs. That means you can make money anytime it suits you, whether it's at night, on the weekends, or even during holidays. This flexibility is super convenient and removes any limitations. You set your own boundaries and trade the way you want. It's pretty amazing and will definitely shorten your journey to that first million more than you might think. Let's dive into a new trade and take a look at another market situation. I'm hoping it'll be quite different from the last one so we can explore something interesting. This time, we're looking at the euro against the Japanese yen. Based on the massive selling volumes on the 4:40 p.m. timeframe, it looks like we're dealing with some news impact that caused such a significant drop in price. I suspect that right from that moment, we started to see a correction, and now the price will gradually recover, moving into an upward trend. This idea is also backed up by the high buying volumes at 5:40 p.m. when traders began to scoop up those discounted assets. We're also noticing strong support zones, while the previously solid resistance areas are losing their strength at this point. Because of this, I'm anticipating a new price surge upward. Before I forget, let me tell you about an awesome contest where you can win $1,000 just for leaving a random comment. Yes, you heard that right, it's totally true. The rules are super simple. Watch this video all the way through, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment about trading below. At the end of the week, I'll pick 2 winners using a randomizer and announce the results in our Telegram channel, where our team also shares trading tips and helps traders learn. The link's in the description, so make sure to subscribe. We run this contest every week. Even though the price has dropped, there's no need to worry. This is just a temporary and natural occurrence. It can't keep moving in just one direction all the time. There's always a balance, like yin and yang, right? That said, we've got to remember the golden rule of trading. Trade with the trend, and that's exactly what we're doing based on the bot's recommendation. The price has already crossed our target level, and we can be confident that the profit is locked in. If you want to trade like this, entering and exiting trades confidently and coming out on top, definitely give our bot a try through the link in the description. I guarantee it will transform your trading from the very first minute. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Give the bot a shot, hit that like button, drop your comments, and may luck always be on your side in trading. The Ninja is signing off. Peace out.